Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Bosslady kitchen and vegetables. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to wash your fridge. It's very important to use ample vinegar. Ample vinegar is the secret to wash your fridge. You can use any product of your choice. I'm going to be adding a very little portion in my bowl of water with my towel. This towel is specially for my fridge. In Italian language, it's called aceto over here. Take a look at my fridge. You can see it is so very rough. I'm going to take out all the food, my yogurt, everything outside, and then clean properly. Stay tuned. My fridge is all empty. I'm going to turn off the light. It's very important when you're washing your fridge. And pull out all the stand. I'm going to wash right away. I'm going to squeeze out the water from my towel and clean my fridge properly. I'm going to be washing the glass with this chemical. It's a very nice product I use to wash when you have any stain. It's very important to take a look at my fridge. It's well cleaned properly. That is the reason why I am sharing this amazing secret with you. Ample vinegar prevents your fridge from bad odor. Yes, it's very important. I'm going to fix all the stand inside, and my fridge smells so good and very clean. I'm going to be arranging all my food items inside to preserve them. This is my Guinness. I'm going to arrange them properly in order so it can look so good when I'm opening, because I just cleaned the fridge and it gives a very good smell. And I do this every weekend. Saturday I clean my fridge. It's very important to clean your fridge every week to prevent your fridge from bad odor, because sometimes when you open your fridge there is a smell that is not advisable, because if you don't clean it always, it's going to spoil your fresh food preserved inside. Another secret of preserving your fridge is this storage can. This can is for garlic, onions and lime. You know, when you have a leftover used onions or garlic, when you put it in your fridge, you give your fridge a very bad smell. That is the reason why it is advisable you buy this can and preserve your onions inside. Just take an example of it. This is my leftover onions. I'm going to drop it inside and cover it properly. Also with my garlic and my lime, this storage can is very good for the fridge preservative. Yeah, just take a look at it. This is for the garlic. I'm just going to fix it and place them in my fridge. Now I'm going to be putting the storage can inside the fridge. Just take a look at it. For garlic, yeah, this is how I prevent my fridge from bad smell. It's very important to preserve your onions, garlic and lime in the storage can. It's very important. Your fridge smells so good when you preserve it. I hope you enjoy watching and try and practice this method on how to clean your fridge with ample vinegar. This is the smaller freezer where I store my food in my can. I'm going to wash. I'm going to continue the same process with my deep freezer by washing with ample vinegar. It's very important and it prevents my freezer from bad smell. Most special part of it all is the deep freezer. Deep freezer is very important. I preserve my chicken, my fish, all in my deep freezer. The reason why I am putting them in a different storage bag is because of the blood stain. Because when your deep freezer have blood stain, it's difficult to wash and gives it a very bad smell. This is how I protect my deep freezer, by separating all my meat inside with my storage bag. It's summer already. This is my vegetable, my ice cream, my leftover used tomatoes. I just drop them inside the freezer to preserve it. This is how I prevent and I protect my freezer from bad smell. Yeah, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Just take a look at my fridge. It's properly arranged and it's so filled up because it's weekend. I'm going to add more items to my fridge. Yeah, thanks. You give this a video a thumbs up and give it a try. Ample vinegar is the best, is what I use, and that is the secret of it all. This is how to protect and prevent your fridge from bad smell. Bye. See you in my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye.